The $27 billion disasters in 2024 resulted in $182.7 billion in damages, higher than the average annual amount of events, 23, and the average annual cost, $149.3 billion, for the past 5 years. 2024 was also the warmest year in NOAA's global temperature record, which dates back to 1850. Antarctic sea ice extent was second lowest on record in both February, when the annual minimum occurs, and September, when the annual maximum occurs. Hurricanes Helene and Milton historic damage and destruction making landfall near Perry, Florida. On September 26, 2024, Hurricane Helene, with sustained winds of 140 miles per hour, was the strongest hurricane on record to strike the Big Bend region of Florida, and the third hurricane to hit that region in just over a year. It also caused billions of dollars in damage to Georgia's agriculture sector. Helene's most severe impacts were from the historic rainfall, up to over 30 inches, and record-breaking flooding across much of western North Carolina. Asheville and many surrounding cities and communities were heavily impacted, as were southwestern Virginia and eastern Tennessee. Helene was the deadliest Atlantic hurricane since Maria, 2017, and the deadliest to strike the U.S. mainland since Katrina, 2005. Helene's total costs were $78.70 billion with 120 mile-per-hour sustained winds. Hurricane Milton made landfall near Siesta Key, Florida, on October 9, 2024. A storm surge of up to 10 feet caused damage from along the Gulf Coast, and the hurricane spawned dozens of highly destructive tornadoes across southern Florida. Total costs for Milton were $34.30 billion. 2023. Breaking many records. The year 2023 broke multiple weather and climate records. Earth had its warmest July on record. July also set a record for the highest monthly sea surface temperature anomaly, plus 1.78 degrees Fahrenheit or plus 0.99 degrees Celsius, of any month in NOAA's 174-year record. According to the NOAA National Centers for Environmental Information's Global Annual Temperature Outlook, it is almost certain, over 99%, that the year 2023 will rank among the 5 warmest years on record, with a nearly 50% probability that 2023 will rank warmest on record. In August, Tropical Storm Hilary made history as the first tropical storm to hit Southern California in 84 years. Rainfalls for Hilary broke virtually all daily rainfall records for the area and total 28 weather and climate disasters with losses exceeding $1 billion each affected the U.S. in 2023. The combined total cost of these 2023 disasters is $93.1 billion. Only one other year, 2017, had more billion-dollar disasters in the first 6 months, and 2023 was second only to 2021 for total damage costs through the first half of any year since 1980.